Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Keap for Small Business CRM, full guide step by step clearly. Look for the Start Free Trial button on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose a plan that suits your business needs. Review the available plans, including pricing and features. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. Provide your name, email address, and a secure password. Follow the prompts to enter additional details about your business. This may include your business name, phone number, and address. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. Ensure that you understand the subscription policies. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Keap website and log in using your credentials. You will be greeted with an onboarding process to set up your account. Follow the guided steps to customize your CRM according to your requirements. Once your setup is complete, explore the features available in Keap. You now have full access to your new CRM system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.